Why is fear holding me back?
Fear is the catalyst that keeps you stuck in failure. If I were to try to do anything without risk, then I would just probably stay at home. There's a risk in everything. Building a business is a risk. Going outside in the morning, getting in your car is a risk. People have risks all the time, and it is actually the number one cause of fatalities in this country. Yet I still get up and go to work, get in my car and drive. So why do we treat everything else like that in life? Like we should quit just because something happened or just because there's a risk. It's that fear of like, if I do this, is it going to work? If I do this, am I going to lose? Losing is a part of life. Failure is a part of the process. But should we let fear keep us stuck from doing what we know we could be doing? It is not a question of whether you will win or whether you will lose or whether you will succeed or whether you will fail. You will fail. This is a given. So now that you know that you will fail, there's nothing to be afraid of anymore. But what if people do like what you do? What if you are successful? We should start reversing that to ask what if in a positive way instead of letting fear keep us stuck in this cycle of doing nothing. Because we might have the passion and the energy and the desire to do something, but fear will say, you can't do that. Whoa, buddy. Slow down. What about if this happens? What if this happens? And fear will bring all of these things up in your mind that deter you from where you're supposed to be going. Most people who start digital marketing or online business don't see sales and enough progress and get enough leads because they start with the wrong foundation. But it doesn't have to stay this way, and I'd like to help you with that. All you need is the right guide. Or maybe you just need a little bit of hands-on guidance. If you've been in digital marketing and you haven't seen the progress or the sales or the leads that you've been wanting, then I invite you to join the Online Business Simplified membership community. And just to give you a little taste, every book that I've written, every audio book that I'm going to release, every training that I include with my books are going to be available to you as an instant download when you join my membership community. I'm going to have live training sessions where I actually show you how to implement the stuff inside the books. Now, every book, every training, and every lesson inside my membership is designed to help you be able to learn the information quickly and to implement it so you can get results faster. So wherever you are on your digital marketing journey, our frameworks, our trainings, all of this stuff is designed to meet you wherever you are. You can get started for just $20 a month. There are other tiers if you want to go a little bit deeper with me and get more hands-on training. Simply having a mentor, that alone can make all the difference in helping you to implement the strategies that you learn. It's priceless, and see how it can change your life, and you'll be glad that you did. If you want to learn more about my membership, the link will be down in the description. And now back to the video that you were watching.